Is mis Pàdruig mar cún agus cha chur dhéonach sa bíarmh go bhfuil graag mórach am cáin. De gach seirse agus cuharí an Iomhaigh Albannach hacin hín.
A nuaí chur mí fáilte dá chulan gan chánairsteach am héin, Abhag Albannach agus Dandy den Mont Peggy.
Le cáin ha scéalach go nuaire an cáinir in níise agus ar an trésa ha amas úr rám. Tuaid a chuin.
An túrasa ha mí arás agus an áte bhí lorach cúgá héin bí mí cainneachar in na cáin a ha lorach cútegan gai péin.
Ja, good boy.
Dún si mí mu uchbach go cháin
Is an dal cuairt.
agus clunne mí scéalach an blá mu gúil agus dachan an buin.
I should pop in.
Agus mar is aingéibh bí mé lorach fistracha mo cháin rúchasach na halapa.
Get be cáin chuúrach, Abhag an Albannach, jo cáin gúna, a mí an féin go cnac na cúise mu na brídichin na Charlainn.
Í Flóri.
Bhain Iomhaigh tjerk, go na fioinnes anichte. Tuil mí ora úlas an trésa.
Ma ha síise chearst go mésal cáin sa ha meise, ha sif san áte chearst. Seo, cúlíisiú.
San dhearan seo, héit an tarsin na dúcha ó bhain farsin na Gaeltach. Go élan an báiach íse gáil. A tuil an tlia, balla me gachi an tóban. Cynnig mí cáin a héad dachi bharanneach a lorach. Agus fioine ha háas de féomhrítí. Agus an túra seo chuir mí eolais seirse cú a ha glú ri aine na halapa.
Bhí fisach of chomésal sa ha meise na Abhag an Albannach. Dandys van na cearní an go dés, Westies a dhearagail héin, hat bria. Ach, féime mé héin áteachug, go bhfuil na Scotties a saolacha galapa an an dói a ha díirach iirechgal. Hey, macha seo.
An Scottie, nio Abhag Albannach, sé sealagar a bhains na cháin bhéice hréin seo bho hús. Ha bóig garit hachbiara agus hat fuiriste an aineachig le fiasach huachanta. Málaíon móra agus fréinnes fionní fólaseach.
Hat noch gan a filmich in Hollywood agus gurichet colorí fioin gama animal cúteach, itar clísichin agus ceannarston, leis Franklin D. Roosevelt, Shores Bush héin, ba fioin even ik Rudyard Kipling.
Tuaid a chuin. Í Flóri.
Dún si mí macharannas a bheits a gáil cúram agus a lorach gachi an úra gan na cáineálainn seo.
What would you say is the collective noun for a group of Scotties?
Absolute bedlam.
Ha mí dionú fiúir a bhí cynneachig rí seán charad?
Sit. Sui.
Dig sí corach.
Sinú héin. Good boy. Oh, nach du as nog.
Agus chaníla deireh ítear carad an úra a lorach cú léisiú.
Oh, we're pals now, aren't we?
Awn yn siarach gwaraf imal parc yn náisianta a bhainní ruaí a ha animal leis an sealaí an álainn is fiag bheith ruchgal ha balla ché. Agus ha mí tíon go réile ché is bhalan an dúach san túras tréine étarhealachte.
Tá sin na seo gus ara agus erigat a hócail de bhuion charannas a had no tóir san na Abhag an Albannach agus a nachréin ag líad dé únarstíag. Cha nuair go féomh san seo a cháirstin the Scottie Express a ní be se fallab.
Cha an tacharsta seo a chuidir dóil le stakes an Scottish Terrier Emergency Care Scheme. A nuaí lorcha dachan an buan, stocha dachi an bían, ga cúcat sa trí Abhag an Albannach.
So he's come to you through stakes?
We'd lost ours 4 days before, our last one.
Oh.
We lost 2 in a year. She offered to read this one. We're very, very lucky.
Yeah.
Be quiet.
Oh, it's all kicking off now.
Sheach go bhfuil bic an vinneach an acin mis nach an tréine, ha úne acam fistrach again bhá Emma Logan an ché a chur an tachars des seoir dói.
Hello, Emma.
And amongst the madness. It's nice to meet you.
Oh my goodness, I can't believe this. This is
mad, isn't it?
This is mad. Are you responsible for this?
Well, me and a few others, we organised it. So we did it last year as a one-off. One of the groups suggested, why don't we get the train? And I thought, okay. But honestly thought they would say no, and they came back and they went, that sounds like a fab idea. So, oh no.
What could possibly go wrong? Uh-oh, the Scottie Express has arrived.
Han tau maun táiseach.
Has everyone got a ticket? All aboard the Scottie Express. Ystallam seo chomór chyn ha buan charanas a gen o rŵt sórache gan choirsneach na dúne a bhfuil gúil na con seo agus seall cho crachtas a seo. Cha nurig go fíamh sé the locomotion mar na hachadú díomh. Go on, jump. A Scottie Express, Jesho gus falla. You know what I want to do, don't you?
Oh, yeah.
Blow the horn.
Díirech nar a bheith dúlacham nach buring an lá seo fás na bear. Bevallam fijn amach cavíad Abhag Albannach a hir borst. Agus a físacham cóga bachor go feinach.
Do you need my ticket?
Yeah, sure.
An tráiriche tréine as oige an an Alba.
Hello, Palem. Kimara how? Hammy Gama, thanks for having me on your train. Now, I've got a question for you. How many people are on the train today?
80.
80 passengers.
Yep,
And do
yeah.
you know how many dogs?
We're not sure.
Can you count them for me with your little
Sure.
counter? And I'll get you at the other end.
Sure.
We need to know.
An tau maun rui an tréine.
Oh, this is the best train ever, isn't it? Hello.
Ha físacham carsán na stallam na con seo, sé character an íondacha húnta.
Hello. They're just great, though. I just think they're magic. Aren't you? You're such a good wee gang.
Sé tú jo oor, car collach rí brochan na dahan na saviste viora.
What do you think are the best things about having Scotties?
The loyalty.
The personality, they're quite quirky. So each Scottie has its own mind, its own way of thinking, its independence. But they're loyal and they love us.
Yeah.
And they're not obedient. And I kind of like that. I like a bit of a rogue.
Oh, my chrecha, go vi shecha, grá lua. Oh, a scrap all in a hin. What would you say is the collective noun for a group of Scotties?
Absolute bedlam.
Ha Gaelic na chil, she speaks Gaelic, don't you? Il Gaelic agad.
Chan je carach an dúna a bhaine jef corm cynnych an seo. Bí teulich an chon a crúnich agan cúteach.
Piper's mummy and daddy are over there.
Aw.
And that's her brother, Brodie.
Fantastic. So days like today are very important because it's a community for the dogs and the humans.
Oh, absolutely.
Ha an coirsnach seo lé cútramach ann a bhí genú luai an Abhag gráichte. A ha go mí orstanach a críanach a ganin an clú.
Agus leis sin ha sin awn. Doris. Foscailte? Macha seo.
Agus mis diachnich mi, ha un chéistéile acam gan tráiche tréine, Pélam.
Palem. How many were on board?
50.
50! Amazing. Thanks for having us. See you later. Cheery.
Apar was ganjal. Háirtarúm go mór caineach a ris na cáin an Scottie Express, agus bheith má dúnsacha go deach cútsú an tséasarcin, agus gan dúrat dachan an úra. Ha mi a gianú ilan leois. An gilan as más na hilan in na níar. Ha anya mal an trajan ganjavach vuja. Seo dachi macharach Joanna ní geléhan, a gís is gá carsán na ha Abhag Albannach go sáireachta ma mar féchtichan. Agus seo Effie a ha 3 bliana gúis.
Effie. Hello.
Och, hij gaat doel. Oh, hij gaat snok.
Ha.
Ach, ga niet hier. Scottie evacuation.
No, ga vi va hier checken je bonnie was.
Aha.
Is notion va shandy jacken. So, ja, gosh shandy ne va me shackblon na gosh.
Anis ha Effie achga, agus ha dírach allan. He fullasach gyfel Joanna agus a tewlach mesel na consio. Agus collach rys a hwla dyn rys na vryn mi, cha hwlat gyfel uniw gyleor. Befel am y bech gain i'r carsona ha sio.
Maar tjouwlig has u stikkiglische vriend. Karsana hasin.
Well, I've zaken gyfel nadrach ma, sad male clown agus shawn gynne. So, ha da hena fel ac agus ha really ma, lo. So, stala vi tos uas sy'n anw.
Het tuksjen gewel kajach en stoche uren en een keelige piesbeek skangoed, maar het snap nu.
I've zeg maar hier me granny kod gain tol preskatjen, so I glei holich. Had gema ring, maar hier. No, had ma hai gema book, stala vi kolder dönje, stala vi mois, mi fast gema salo. Sma hier beken, hai viachen jos richtig, so.
J kan en rusje wel bruin.
Wishing bring me a Gaelic as haar radio ac yn jas bring Gaelic wat la. So
Oh, guess je vrienden midden de moren veel. Ach, jullie tuksjen de weer later.
Bakan.
Effie, sit. Oh, ach, she ma chorak. Sit. Sui.
Dik si korach.
She nu heen nog eigen snok.
Ha collach gyda Albannach a hana Effie o fwn gybar. Mar necha ha jail i'r con agus gahari Abhagan, tuca mi chotaringach sa hana con veica seo. Se character yn móra a húnta, lan persentach. Car collach rym hyn. Is talym mar a ha Abhag Albannach mar hawla i'r Alba. Fo tuarjan go boxich in briskach, hat sa hula ach.
Wee!
Ach a nuri ha jech ach 3 kiad ochget sa shech a vri. Hat a nisht i'r liste ravi chumen ang con.
Haniel mi a tuksjen karsana hana Scottie a fast chok gaun. Agus ha cúineach am a vi farach gan a noon root a nuri. Nura chanich mi rish na dandies an toshach. Jee? She Susan a hen. Kerst ma ha toke mi bek an fjög. Agus ha mi nisht na ma vaul ik Club Caledonian Dandy Dunmont. Agus ha mi goper mar ambassador colerische gemeti a shin. A vi kumel an bridig en duges al Albannach. Bio fallen agus aun son de ginneach an nu hien. He go kutremach go. Agus heiskela kutremach de ìomhaigh fjög na duge a ha goper go cruai gus na loinig en prísal seo a chumel a dal. Agus le bhí graisian ha mi ddíireach i'r clínean mu áil de chulan an gama prísal an an balíli. Troed ach an cynnig yn rua. Troed, o si sy'n chien. Ai. Florian Toshach. Oh. Off you go. Right. Reversing. Macha seo.
Balla Eli, Balla Beek fichet sa 2 míle go tua i'r glasacho. Ha mi'r tîn an seo a gaich yn union y siorchich yn con Albannach a Charlem. A miel chw Ha ma charach angi nich gefaarlen i'r a fi a biog lachge geig na con seo fat nwy bliana. Gútach go bí cúineach a bhar na coinneachadh cití mórag agus ferragas van tríma dhearag. Hachar mi rua nar a bha mi siarag chulan gá hín, agus hucht mi an gúil leis na fuamhar an salta seo.
Oh, they're just lovely. I really like them.
Chulan an úr capari. Agus cha nurin gá dúltach súla horsteáda agus stácha bic an betrich.
Camera how, Pàdruig?
Camera how
What have I got here?
Oh, you've got puppies.
We've got puppies.
Cool. Oh.
Come on in.
Oh,
Come and see them.
Oh my goodness, what a treat. They're so tiny.
We have 9 puppies. 9 wee bruisers.
Agus ha mi own an ghoul mar ha.
Oh, your wee pudding, look at their bellies. Hello. Hi.
Aperúsa gan drain Katie Morag gama.
She's just such an amazing mum. She's so patient. And they climb all over her, they bite her, they pee on her, they poop on her, they push her backwards to get to her milk, and she just loves them. She just adores them.
Oh, they're gorgeous. This must be quite a healthy boost to the numbers of deerhounds in Scotland.
It definitely all helps. This is another 9. Obviously, my friend had 6 in January, so that's 15. And it would be nice to see more litters, though. It really would.
Ha mi chotálachte go bhfuil Angie a cúteach a glyfi cúr rish na Harvanachka.
You are a wee climber, aren't you? Eh, nach buiagucht.
Ha fisacum gil Florius pekiacum, a ha rutagan tlach varaun min a coolan and mealchon shaw.
You know what all of this is doing to me, by the way.
What's he doing?
It's making me want to bring a puppy home.
Herer gere ni sheanta han an trianich.
Are any of them still looking for a home?
What do you want me to say, Paddy?
Well.
Oh, vov, she uver smoo an je haun. A chanish suli mi gewil an tagras na coolan and shaw.
What you could maybe do is just put a wee finger in there and then just put it up to his wee mouth.
He wants it. Look, he wants him. Oh, yes.
Dierach na rava dúlacham gan big shaw furista.
Oh, don't go in.
Was this what you meant? Oh, no. Oh. Oh, my goodness. How are you coping with all these... Oh, my grech.
Geforstenach a Kitty Morag fashger live.
Oh, good girl.
Lea chenga.
Bath time.
Hanning gewil mi hien femacher boshak kutjach. Ach nach hiat a ha alin. Hij een koning laag of hij feichen koelanen. Ach ha mi kutjach ga geri joensach een tullig, maar jeen kon a ha femach dagje een ure. Han een mieltjen gaan aan een alpa a ha femach dagje uur. Waar het toisch wat je een garage, grosuus ri karstel uier warach, a chien gucher mijn gaan na waar roye. She opervore haun ga karnassen of is a jennigen jiegel dagen een ure a lorak. Ga kon a gai een jiebrug.
Ha mi an seo ag Coman Albannach son Gian na Nanavian an Shirach Launrig, agus ha mi seo agus cannach ag rí Abhag Albannach a ha Shirach dachi úr. Héir vi seo son úne voranist. Hu cyn agus cannach I sin rí Gaza?
Han tarsnech teichvioichen Janet Kirkpatrick son Ishigam jen Gaza a ha neu blien a goosh.
Hat ma horst go aatje beek bietach, agus seo far wel met dolle ganjige rish, agus seo was de tachers na bed te heen, en sin shias gus kanjige riku, son dachi uur horst ga. Kers ma ha, oh, seo at the chien.
He's a good boy. Good boy. Hey, come on then.
Hey, snock, Nachil. Hello. Hi, Janet.
Hiya.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Is this Gaza?
This is our Gaza.
Oh, he's
he
awful.
knows I've got special treats, that's why he's decent, so I'll give you some.
He knows where his bread's buttered.
Sure, Gaza. Here, so, sit, sweet.
Good boy. Oh, we're pals now, aren't we?
Yeah. Oh, he's lovely, isn't he?
Now, see while we're here, do you think we could play with him with some of these toys?
Right, wait a minute, and I'll take the lead off.
Hey.
Yeah, I'm going to be running about. Auntie Janet. Yes.
Gaza. Gaza. Show.
Good lad.
Oh.
Hey, ready, go. Sit.
Ha ma fi leika le Gaza rí chemical. Ha tors
he likes that one.
Gosa, nyo dunni sa biela, a vi feich can jish or sa person tuch geheke.
So I'm going for a sniff.
Oh, he peed on it.
Right, okay.
As jegag no ach I yanu.
I'm not touching those toys anymore.
Ha staffis a meest na con as trichke a vis gundachi. Stach skaskel kluachke nach de choshingat son vi Junsiach. Sin bechke hik moran mu Abhag Harav Staffordshire. Ach fernachil ieder 4 me in Gaza.
He's so gentle.
Tell me a wee bit about Gaza's backstory.
He was abandoned in a house with 2 other dogs.
Oh, nachtu a snock. Oh, he's just lovely, isn't he? My brother's got a staffy, and they're
Right.
just the nicest dogs ever. How long's he been here with you?
286 days, unfortunately.
Oh, he's done his time,
He's
hasn't
done
he?
his time. So he deserves a good loving home.
Yeah.
You know, because he is 9 years old.
Hi mi cholog sa ha Gaza.
You're a wee monkey.
Ach shech gerik staffi ush suas go keer blindieg, ma jeve jo huram, ha behe fata ro Gaza.
His ears are really erect,
Oh,
aren't
they're
they?
lovely, aren't they?
Aren't they? If I was going to meet him for the first time, and you were going to check if we were a match, talk me through the process.
You put your details online.
Yeah.
So our rehoming team have seen, oh, such and such likes Gaza, right. So they would give you a wee call and say, you've expressed an interest in Gaza. That's fine. What I'm going to do is tell you a wee bit about him, and then we would send you through the vet report. Then we would do a WhatsApp video call, or you can send in a video of the house and the garden where the dog's got to be. Then we invite you to come down and see him. If there's a dog that's a wee bit anxious, it can be 3-4 visits. It's a minimum of 2 visits. Usually on the second visit, the people are happy and then they're adopted.
Oh, fantastic.
Gan jech san bi han bech dachi a horst de hu chesertje leech Gaza ha ruta naun a chetamach.
He knows where the good stuff is, doesn't he?
Don't you, darling? Yes, you do.
Get a Gaza salt, kaltach rische hula ku chesertje ele ha femacher 3 rutan. Ache savaltje ga heen, lepig lan jo suvi, kunje valach, biehug agus koerstjen menu nuer ga chla. Agus fyrtjen, shechgere ku injewacha han in Gaza, nach rodunen kindjach gamburiga erepse a churen a dunje, femi fisse wieke gewil gragir get a jenige merachke ne kamenen.
Good luck. I hope it all pans out.
Hanjela 4 nach uren kan uusde rutan ure junsachig. Surin af jus kan injewach am 4 stech gudachi uur geservachal. Agus ha nu roet 4 me vriend na shechkenje an Abhag Albannach. Hanjela 4 nas ma gewil het rorak son een trainig. Surin jaiva vi fat as chemichalir koikrich, a kielige gere kan fare ma a hunte. Ach geta ha kolles na feen vishnach Abhag Albannach, savishgaiva vi jail vi tallige gemeister. Ma het fallen, utig kan big Abhag Albannach nat gosh fat jich nyo koik blindieg. Ha mi chillig den open agus chavoor nach ilan la shechat. Ach fi me mi tuil u naatje ele ma staat mi.
Ha mi siogus caniach ar I macharach taramat agus an cúbec eke Hamish. Hannig Hamish a gurach colri taramat agus an chawlach ceir blian arash. Ha mi son fine mach cimmer a ha cúsin a dol agus jyn daatje a siar na an trai.
Hello, Hamish. Hello, Hamish. Hello. 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 Hiya, Character.
Wel coinneachadh taram. Ha? Oh, she character a han. Hi Norman.
Hello there.
Cimmer a how?
Aguma.
Nice to see you. Shall we go for a wee wander? Oh, he's looking great, isn't he?
This is one of his favourite places to be.
This is my favourite place in Oban as well.
He can run free. He's a happy wee dog.
He really is.
This is our 4th Scottie, so We're sort of multiple offenders.
Smaha fisum, ha gachniech ik wil Abhag Albannach colta grichele. Sean Darna Abhag Albannach a ruchbachgich tarmat.
People gave him up when he was 7 months old. And I think it was at the time when people were starting to go back to offices.
After the lockdown.
Maybe having a hyperactive Scottie puppy didn't suit. Anyway, we got him at 7 months. And he was quite mischievous. He did all the usual puppy things of chewing spectacles. And, he's a really nice wee dog. He's got no vices.
Oh.
Jay, few sunan.
He hates cats, of course, but then that's part of the joke.
Who doesn't?
Yeah.
Only joking. We love cats.
Chanil dinje for hamish.
Well, thank Vorgarir of Norman. That's great advice. If anybody's thinking about adopting a Scottie,
Be aware that they have their own mind.
and reach out to the specialist rehoming charities for the native breeds. You never know, they might have one that's just for you.
Yes.
Oh, he's such a wee character. Yeah.
Agus colta hamish, suring I fast animals in skira.
He's now Oban's most famous dignitary, I feel.
You think?
Oh, aye.
Certainly very well known in town.
He struts along the esplanade in Oban like a pipe major. Ha hula dyn you yolach here Hamish, na chil. Everybody knows Hamish. Oh, he's awful nice. Oh, I'm smynach a gred Joe Ambassador a hawn gan y breeds na he. Hat diolch o land spores, hat doial, hat petal, agus hasif mi fo galwyr yn cwtioch.
But everyone has a smile on their face when they see him. It's an automatic reflex that they have a broad grin when you see a Scottie.
Yeah, no wonder. You're just sorry, aren't you?
Is stelm skielach cheserkin ik wil krieg chomari shaw.
He's away for a dip.
He's going for a paddle now.
Ha follishach wil hamish sa naatje jaart, botach beek sonne.
Send Pappy as laddie.
Oh, I love the terriers. They're such wee rascals. Aperturas a hir vi acum. Ha hula cú ari gúl, scropacan agus lepi vlad. Echel sin kerst of hiki, eh? Chorthur gomóra vi canja chugrish na Abhag Albannach. Agus ha mi tuk sin kersona ha dúnja cho an gúl lewa. Ha mi feichen tort de fiki agus floriúnta. Dún an land spores agus mívag. Ha na haravan ísal a curdragaram, ach ha mi cíneach go bí an opera ha na dúne ha coit a sé na brídichen a dal a dhéana sin na seaar. Seálar kitty mórags na cúlan na núra ichge. Agus le bhí gráise na chané cúlan na bhana ha lorach dachan na núra, ha tór coin a ha fémach dachiúr a féh an inatan féag na dúcha. O mach réch, ha tór móra bharach gráam. Sé an opera seaar a hacam na heo. Sláinte gan na choin.
An ahuras cúléisiú. Cannich chi miri da jaar collie. Collie nan kriachan.
Bo elan beek go elan mór.
Agus an collie iasakach.
Eligish, come on in.
Chi na kumas an iandachachke.
He just took to it like he'd been doing it all his life.
Vier mi gun me hi na narigig.
Kijk, zie maar, dat is waar.
Agus chi mi coolen an chasertje a dolgu dachen an ure.